Hbar holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Let's analyze the market and see what's happening and what we could be expecting going into Tuesday morning. Obviously, the long weekend is behind us. We're seeing the market, starting off, on a positive note. As of now, Bitcoin is currently sitting above $110,000. But like I said earlier, even though Bitcoin is seeing, quite a nice bounce right now, we still need to look for more confirmations. But a great day, we're going to take that. Hbar up 3% right now on the daily time frame, with the price currently sitting at 22 cents as of recording this update. Also up about 1% in Bitcoin comparative valuation, $9.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at 264 million. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we spoke about how the dominance, if you watch my update on XRP not too long ago, I spoke to you guys about how, we have seen a major spike, within the dominance. Sorry, not XRP, my Cardano update. And since then, we did see, the dominance making its way back towards the downside. Nothing too crazy, but again, if you zoom out and take a look at how far the dominance has gone down, again, it's a continuous daily reminder for you guys to not neglect this. We're still down quite a bit, but you're starting to see as the week is starting and we're coming out of this long weekend, you're starting to see the dominance pushing back towards the downside at 58.46% as we're recording this update. But Bitcoin, on the other hand, has done something very interesting. So of course, we came down to the $107,400. We spoke about that, but you could see a major push once again. We came up to $110,630, which is very nice. To be quite frank with you, but again, nothing to be getting overly excited about just yet, because we have far ways to go. 115,000 is still that confirmation that I have set for myself, where I personally think things could start getting excited for the overall market. But as of now, we're still below it, so I'm not buying this. But nice move, of course, right now, which of course is actually having a positive impact for the broader market. And I even said this, I think 2 days back, if you did end up watching my video, this week, because we're starting in a way, obviously CME futures are closed over the weekend, more manipulation than usual, but this week is going to be massive to really see how the price of Bitcoin reacts. Remember, the month of September, historically speaking, is not a bullish month, but I think if the rate cut happens this month, we are going to see this month being quite bullish for the crypto space. But Hbar was able to do something very important, and I'm sure you guys guessed it already. We are back in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. Yes, that's correct. You can see this for yourself. Obviously, we spoke about how we left this long consolidation phase. We broke below it for the first time since July 13th yesterday, but we came down to 21 cents. But most importantly, one thing I want you guys to take away from is that we're back where we belong, within the 61.8 fib zone. And since our retest, which we saw at 21 cents, we saw an increase of about 5%. So a nice bounce. I'm not complaining here. Hbar is back to where we really want to see the price of Hbar in. I would not like to see the price of Hbar within the 78.6, because I've pretty much been quite clear. If that's the case, we could see more downside for Hbar. But right now, we're back to where we need to be. Nice consolidation phase. Hopefully, we are able to, climb above this 22.6 cents key resistance. If we're able to do that, I think, that would be a good sign. But the fact that we're back into 61.8, so far so good. Keep a very close eye on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is able to, push above $112,000 tomorrow and maybe close above here, that could be a sign that maybe that, the 23.6 key support line was indeed, the bottom of the retracement before we start heading towards the upside. But again, we still need to be looking for confirmations. As of now, that confirmation still lies for us around $115,000. Do let me know your personal thoughts down below as to what you guys think. So far, so good for Hbar. Back to, where we need to be. Gotta take it one step at a time. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Love you all. See you later from Crypto ZX, and peace out.